Hey guys, I'm hanging out in my kitchen preparing a little drink, and I thought now would be a great time to jump on here and chat about fasting with you. So this is something that I've started incorporating more and more into my ketogenic diet over the last year or so. And I haven't been able to share because I wasn't talking about keto, but here I am. So I've learned a lot about when to fast, when not to fast, and I'm right in that perfect time of my cycle where I have like a 3-day window where I can fast. And on Thursday afternoon, after eating my first meal, I decided hey, I'm gonna fast overnight to Friday, make it a 24-hour fast and see how it goes. So Thursday at 6 p.m. I had my last meal. I chose to make it a carb up specifically because I know that when I don't carb up before a fast, I start to feel wrong, like just not right, and shaky and weird. And so I had a potato like this size. I just love potatoes. They don't affect my glucose as much as sweet potatoes, which was a huge realization I got from wearing my CGM. And if you want to learn more about CGM stuff, you can just look it up on my YouTube channel at Healthful Pursuit. So I had a sweet potato and fish and the whole bit and a bunch of vegetables at 6 p.m. on Thursday. And then I planned to eat on Friday at 6 p.m. Well, Friday came and went, and I was like, I don't know, it's 6 o'clock, I'm not really hungry, maybe I'll go until 8 o'clock. And then I was like, I could go without eating until the morning, I'll just see how it goes. Notice how I'm not planning on my fast. I gave myself a 3-day window, and I was like, I'm just gonna try this and see how it goes and do 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours is done, how am I feeling? I feel pretty good, let's keep going. So I thought maybe I'd do a 36. So I'm just about to go past the 36 mark, I think. I don't track these things because I get obsessed about them. So now I'm like, okay, well, maybe I'll wait until 6 o'clock and do a 48-hour fast. Now, we have dinner with friends tonight, so I'll definitely be eating. I very much dislike going out with friends and saying, I'm fasting, and not enjoying the time with them. And for me, the time with them is about eating and enjoying food and sharing plates and just having a good time. And these are new friends that have encouraged me to go to Bible study with them, and they're just really good humans, and I really just want to connect with them over a meal. So I will be breaking my fast tonight. I don't think I'll be breaking it until around 8 o'clock. You know how restaurants are, you order and it takes forever. So I guess then it will be a 50-hour fast, which is one of my longer water fasts. Now, here's the preface. So yesterday I woke up with a pretty intense fever. And so my fast is gonna look different because of that. And so while I do really value autophagy fasts, and I'm not entirely sure if essential oils count as breaking the fast, I don't believe they do, because bergamot oil, which is an essential oil, can actually increase autophagy. And so because I just want to support my immune system, and by fasting itself, so great for the immune. It was such perfect timing. I am so happy that I'm fasting now through having I had a fever. It lasted a couple hours and it went away. But I'm adding this ginger essential oil from doTERRA. I don't work for them. I don't promote them. I just really like their oils. I'm not big into MLM stuff. And then this turmeric essential oil. My hair is just fantastic today. And this, turmeric essential oil. So I'm just gonna add that to some hot water with some sea salt. Sometimes I'll add lemon to it, depending if I'm feeling a little bit shaky. Technically that would break a fast. This I know. But I try not to have too many rules. If I feel like lemon because I'm feeling a little bit shaky and I find I need more electrolytes, then I do it. If I feel like black coffee, specifically because my glucose is increased, then I do it. So this is all to say, I think we can get really caught up in, this is how to fast, this is how this person says to fast. And my whole message here is do what works best for you. Know what all the options are. Kind of check yourself before you wreck yourself. Understand that there are certain points in your cycle that work really well for fasting and certain points that do not. And you're not going to be able to fast for very long. And that was my huge screw up for the first 4 years of eating keto. I was fasting at the wrong times and then getting hungry and craving and all the things. So if this is you and you want more guidance and you're not really sure of all the things, I'm currently hosting a 6-week weight loss program. It's a group coaching program. It ends in the middle of November, and that's full. There are tons of students in there and I can't take anymore, and it's already started, but I want to host the class again. And so if you are curious about all of this and you really want to, like, if your number one goal is to lose weight, and then your number 2 goal is to be healthy and do it right, or vice versa, preferably vice versa, then I'd love to help guide you. So you can just go to my profile. There's a link there for the 6-week program, and get on the wait list there. And I hope that some of the information I shared is already helpful for you to really understand how to make your fast work for you, and check in with yourself, because that is just, it is such a big thing, and not a lot of people talk about this. There are a couple of amazing keto women specifically on social media and YouTube that talk about this also. But generally speaking, it's like, you committed to a 24-hour fast. Whatever happens, just keep going. You can do it. And I think if you trust your body and you get into that relationship with your body and that positive dialogue, you can have a much better time respecting your body, caring for your body, so that you can serve others. So I'm excited to hear what you think. Write in the comments what your fasting protocol is now, where you're stuck, where you're excelling. I'd love to know, and I hope you have a good day. Okay, bye.